Hello, welcome to the XJet Sensational video series. My name is Chaim Levy and I'm doing this video from home, as you can see, due to the coronavirus outbreak. In this third video I shall refer to the smelling sense, and we shall see how it relates to one of the most outstanding features of XJet NanoParticle jetting technology, the soluble material and the cleaning process. The basic principle here is that we are using different material for support, which fills out all the internal voids and cavities, overhanging parts and undercuts of the part, and is fully soluble in liquid. Once the printed part is placed in a vat full of liquid, the support materials start dissolving, as you can see in this demonstration by the small bubbles popping up. Shortly afterwards, the part is fully cleaned, leaving behind no residues. And that is all. No manual work is needed and no mechanical procedures are required. How is it related to the smelling sense? This is the whole point. There is almost no smell whatsoever. And this is because the liquid comprises of clean water and mild cleaning agent, something that you can find in every common household. The big value of this unique feature of the technology is not only the simplification and shortcutting the whole cleaning process, but also enabling real freedom of design, encouraging creativity and innovation. No wonder then that XJet Soluble Support Material won the annual award of TCT for 2019 as the Innovative Material of the Year, something which we are very proud of. Thank you very much for watching this video and sharing your time with us. Keep safe these days, and you're most welcome to the next one.